Harbhajan Singh has strongly opposed India playing Pakistan in the upcoming Asia Cup 2025, saying there is no place for cricket between the two nations. Tensions continue to prevail between the neighbors in the aftermath of the terrorist attack in Pahalgam earlier this year in April. The former spinner himself was part of the World Championship of Legends, an exhibition tournament which had both India and the Pakistan team. However, the Indian team decided to boycott both its games in the tournament, citing the ongoing tensions between the two countries. Harbhajan's comments come on the backdrop of the Asia Cup fixture between the two teams, where they can potentially play each other up to 3 times. The arch-rivals are set to meet in Dubai on 14 September in a group stage clash. Singh feels it is wrong to share the field with Pakistan when soldiers are risking their lives to protect the country, insisting that national interest must come before any sporting contest. Harbhajan said that people needed to understand what was important and what was not, adding that it was as simple as that. He remarked that, for him, the soldier who stood on the border, whose family often did not get to see him, who sometimes sacrificed his life and never returned home, made an immense sacrifice for everyone. He further said that, compared to that, it was a very small thing that they could not skip playing one cricket match, calling it a very small matter. The former spinner even referred to the government's position on the issue, stating that the Indian government has been very clear on cutting ties with Pakistan till cross-border terrorism exists. Harbhajan, one of India's best ever spinners, stressed that no individual should be placed above the country. In the recent World Championship of Legends (WCL) tournament, the India champions skipped their group match against Pakistan after several players, including Shikhar Dhawan and Harbhajan Singh, pulled out of the game. He added that their government had the same stance, that blood and sweat could not coexist. He said it could not be the case that there was fighting on the border, tensions between the two nations, and yet they went to play cricket. He stressed that until those big issues were resolved, cricket was a very small matter, and the nation would always come first.